Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the emotional raw material, 3-5 photos or short clips that tell your anniversary arc. Once you have them, pick a format, single slide, sequential 15-second clips, or a mixed media carousel, and set a visual theme to tie everything together. Make sure to prepare captions, dates, and location tags now, and choose a consistent filter and palette so each slide reads as part of the same memory. This will save editing time and keep the story cohesive. Now you edit and assemble. Trim video clips to between 3 and 10 seconds so the pace stays fresh, and place photos in an order that tells the story, chronological or theme-based. Add captions that explain context, then layer a music track that matches the mood. Lower the music volume under voice or narration. Use consistent stickers or icons as chapter markers, and apply a subtle color overlay so every slide feels like part of one polished package. Finish by previewing the entire story end to end. Check timing, typos, and audio levels so nothing distracts from the narrative. Once satisfied, post and immediately add the story to a dedicated highlight labeled with the anniversary date or a short title. If something goes wrong order, audio glitch, or typo, delete the affected slide and re-upload the corrected version, then update the highlight. That single troubleshooting step preserves the story's quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.